Marc Marquez losing the rear from Marc Marquez. We've said that he has not won the opening Grand Prix MotoGP. Marc Marquez, it is a Terbaru today in Argentina.
Marc Marquez then picking up some slipstream now. He's faces of Marc Marquez, who hasn't put too much further distance between the back straight. Marc Marquez is now buried in the slipstream.
Marc Marquez.
And Marc Marquez has won two Grand Prix here over the years, and he's now closed in on the last lap. Oh, Marc
Marquez, there is some kind of an issue now. What is going
Marquez
on? Marquez
through the final corner. He will go now. He flicks it left. Are we about to witness the fastest ever lap of Thomas Rio Hondo? We certainly are. Right on cue. Bang. Thank you very much, Marc Marquez. A one.